Welcome back to another video and tutorial here on this Foxtecc YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to activate ChatGPT on your iPhone. This guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can start using this powerful AI tool with ease. Let's get started with it right now. To begin, activating ChatGPT on your iPhone requires you to have both a ChatGPT account and the ChatGPT app. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type OpenAI or ChatGPT to find the app. Once you locate it, tap the download button to install the app on your device. After the installation is complete, open the ChatGPT app. You'll need to sign into your ChatGPT account to start using the service. I personally use my Google account to sign in, which is quick and convenient, but there are other sign-in options available as well. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the prompts to log in. Once logged in, you'll notice that there isn't much of an activation process required. The app is ready to use as soon as you sign in. However, if you decide to purchase the premium version of ChatGPT for additional features, you'll need to ensure that your payment goes through correctly. The premium subscription attaches the payment to your account, providing you access to enhanced functionalities. Payments for the premium version are managed through the App Store's subscription section. To check or manage your subscription, go to your iPhone's settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top, and select subscriptions. Here you can see all your active subscriptions, including ChatGPT, and ensure everything is set up correctly. That's all there is to it. You're now ready to use ChatGPT on your iPhone. Whether you're generating content or exploring new ideas, ChatGPT is a valuable tool to have at your fingertips. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Foxtecc. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you guys later.